Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fill the shape with color on Canva. So what you need to do is first let's select the shapes. So let's go to elements. Over here we have shapes. Let's press see all in order to find something more specific, and let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Now on the top bar we have different options, we have different features. And for instance over here, if we click on color, then we can set a new color for our shape, like so. For instance over here we have solid colors. These are default colors selected by the website, but below that we also have gradients. So if you want to use a gradient, then you can use this one as well. If you want to, you can also use a custom color by clicking add a new color over here on the document colors, and if you click on it, then you have a color picker, and then you can set a color. Of course you can also use a gradient, so we can switch from solid color to gradient like so, and then over here we can choose the style. And here we have two colors that we can choose. We can even add a third color if needed. So once again, we have a color picker. So let's say we can customize it like so. And this time, let's make it blue. So as you can see, we can create a bunch of different gradients. We can create them as we want. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.